Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video we're going to look at the best free online courses that you can take and you don't have to worry about spending any money. And the reason why I'm doing this, because this is my channel and I uploaded a video a week ago saying the best YouTube course, and they're all paid ones, guys. They're all brilliant courses, but they're paid ones, and if you've not got the money, I know how hard it can be when you just want to learn and get things right. I'm still learning myself. This is one of many of my YouTube channels. I have other ones doing better than this, but this is the one where I'm trying to get going. So, without further ado, guys, let's jump into this. Before we get there, guys, if you're new here, please subscribe if you like these kind of videos. And yeah, so I've typed in Udemy, yeah, guys, and straight away you come on here. As soon as you come on it, look, it's asking you browse the free courses. So we'll click that. Takes down here. Then you've got all these different topics. Yes, so you've got like WordPress, you've got Excel, basically anything you want to learn, like Blender for 3D. Yeah, anything you want to learn. Adobe Illustrator, another good course. Digital marketing. This is what I do. I do digital marketing, video marketing, all the marketing kind of side of it. Then you got your subcategories. You've got all like these different ones. Yeah, down here. 3D animation. Let's just click on this because I do a lot of video. I make a lot of videos, guys, and I sell them to different companies, guys. Yeah, just switching my phone off, and yeah, so if we can have a look. Like a lot of them are Blender, guys. If you don't know if you've heard of Blender, After Effects, basic animation, Adobe After Effects. Some great courses here, guys. But what I do, guys, if you don't know what you're looking for, let me just go back to the top. And because last week I showed you 3 different YouTube courses, I'm going to look at these here, guys. And it's going to bring us all these, but we'll filter it, guys. Yeah, so we'll come down here to the price. And look, free, 463 courses you can do, guys. Now look, you got YouTube 101 keys to success, but you can look at they've all got ratings in that, guys. This is like 1.5 hours with 14 lectures. Or if you want another one with 1.5 hours, 1.5, half an hour, so that'll be dead easy. 1.5, 38 minutes, 1 hour, 41. So they're all quite relatively low in like time-wise, guys. So you could easily come and do lots of these different ones, learn lots of different tricks, and how to like do whatever you want to learn, basically. So a crash course, how to rank and in real-time results. Yeah, there's loads, guys. Look, 24 pages. It might even go on from there. So yeah, it's how you do it, guys. You just come over here, you click on a. I'd generally say start at, yeah, come to the ones what's got this box is doing my head in, popping up. Come to the one what's got like the most views, yeah, the most ratings. Check it out, see what the other people are saying. This is like the basics of creating professional online videos, building a successful channel. Yeah, you'll have other SEO, you get other for if you get audience from 0. Maybe I should look at this. I'm only getting I'm not getting many views. Look, 29 views, 27, not many views, guys. Whereas my other channel, my movie channel, it's getting like thousands, hundreds of thousands of views. But this one, I can't seem to get right. Maybe it's oversaturated. But yeah, guys, like I said, you can do anything you want. It doesn't have to be YouTube. So you can come down here. You can come down into the topics. YouTube marketing, audience growth, affiliate marketing, social media marketing. Video creation is what I do a lot of. Yeah, guys. So you could come here and learn how to make videos. And once you learn how to make videos, maybe look at a few different YouTube courses. And yeah, that is it, guys. I know it's a short and simple video, but I wanted to show you because I don't want you to think all I'm doing is offering you courses like you have to pay for so I can earn an affiliate commission. It's not the case, guys. I'm a beginner. I'm a newbie kind of thing like you. And this is a great tool, a great website, Udemy, to have free resources, guys. And feel free to go and do as many as you want. Let me know if you find any really good courses, and I'll check them out myself, guys. And if you're new here, like I said, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and come and check out some of the other videos. Check out this best YouTube courses. 3 different YouTubers who I've bought the courses from, and they're all brilliant, but obviously vary in prices. And other videos, guys, I make videos on here using lots of different video creation tools, and I show you how to make money with video. That's on different websites, different social media sites. Yeah, whether you've got a job or you're not making any money. So guys, if that is it for today's video, please check it out. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and until next time, guys, thanks very much. Goodbye.